Okay, good. Don't go and look for answer, then submit. Do on your own, huh? Please, Okay, yeah, for those who are here already, I just want to, yeah, say hello, and then we are now supposed to start. We have quite a fair bit of things to complete today, all right? Because it's such a many questions to do. Okay, so first question, yeah. Dora bought 4 packets of chocolate at $1.25 each, and 2 packets of berries at $3.50 each. He gave a cashier a $20 note. Okay, so now the thing is that he get change, right? So the change, you must find the total cost. So for the first thing, you need to use the 4 chocolates, okay? Times 4, and then you get the answer. Get the 2 packets of berries, which will give you $7. This one for 5. This one should be $5. Okay, so the total costing, it will be $12. And to get change, you should get $8. All these are so easy, and then I can see many of them still not doing. I'm not too sure why. Okay, so regardless of whatever reasons, exam is coming, so quickly get them done. All right, don't wait. Next question. Daisy paid for a total of $243 for the item here. 3 jacket and 3 dresses. So 3 jacket, that means I have 1, 2, 3 dresses, 1, 2, 3, and this will cost 243. So what I can do here is I'm going to match them into JD instead of, JD will be 243. So if for JD one set, I can find one set first. And that gives me 81 for J and D, right? And he gave another information that the dress itself is 8 times, which is 8 units costing. J will be 1 time costing, so total will be 9 units for this. So meaning to say, you will have 9 units of A that will give you $81. So how to find 1 unit? You get $81, then divide by 9. Each unit is $9. Okay, but he wants the difference in the prices, which you have to use the dress, which is 8 units, jacket is 1 unit, and the difference will be 7 units. So you just times 7 to get down to 63. Okay, all these are simple and mentally quick calculation can get down to the answer. You shouldn't be getting down, using so much of your time doing this. Okay? Question 3. Vicky, 5 parent volunteers, took a class of 20 children and they go to the exhibition. He wants to find the minimum cost of all 30 cakes to be bought. Okay, so now the question to you is, there are only 6 adults. Okay, so for every 2 adults, okay, and 3 children, you will get a discount of $10. So to say, you must find the cost of 2 adults first. So 2 adults will be 25 times 2, right? And 20 times 3, that will give you 50, 60. 50 and 60, $110. Now, from here, we have 6 adults. So we are going to put down to 6 adults, okay? And then we're going to find 9 children. Before we do that, we must find the price minus the $10. That will give you a $90 for the net price, okay? After the discount, because the $10 must minus from here, okay? So I minus the $10. Okay, then after that, let's take a look at $90 ready, right? And this is meant for 2 adults, 3 children. But now I will need to have 6 adults and 9 children because of the 6 of them. Correct? So because of the 6 of them, I need to times 3. I need to times 3 here. So therefore, this one will be times 3 also, right? Times 3. So we need to say, I still have a handful of students, 20 children minus 9 children, which is 11 children not bought, right? So 20 minus 9 equals to 11. And 11, I must multiply by 20, which will give me 220. So with this 220, I must add up to 90, right? 220, sorry, 220, I must put to 330. Okay? No, this one should be 90 times 3. 110 is 90, so must 90 times 3 equals to 270. Okay? So now the thing is, I need to find the total for 3. This is 2, 6, 11. Okay, so you need to have 270, 220. Okay, wait. Something here. Let me try. It's minus 10, 100. Okay, this one is 100. Why nobody tell me this is 100? Oh, someone told me 100. Oh, yeah. Brian, thank you. It's 100. Okay, so this one must be 100 times 3. And that gives me 300. So that's why I find it funny. Okay, so 300 must plus my 220. That gets me to 520. Okay. All right. Question? Any others? Okay. Next question. Number 3, number 4 already. Okay. So what did number 4 say? There are so many pears. There are so many melons in the basket. 4/5 of them, they are used up. 3/4 of them are used up. So he's asking for how many pairs are being used up. That means the 4/5 multiplied by 140. So 0.8 times this will give me 112. This. Okay. Next question say, how many more melons than pear were used up? So that means I must find my melon first, which is 3/4 of 280, which will give me 210. And this is meant for pears. The melon is 112, so I just need to minus from here. Then 112 will give me 98. Okay, so 98. All these are quite easy and quick. So you shouldn't be spending too much time on this. Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 5. Okay. Now, number 5, I need you to do me a favor. Change this to 40. Okay, change this to 40. So, but it doesn't matter because We are now looking at this. This is 47 degree, which is not affected lah, in fact, huh? Okay, so just leave it, it's okay, but I'm just concerned with the Y, not the other angle for this. Sorry for the error. Okay, now the property of this is a parallelogram. So the properties of this parallelogram is the diagonal angles are equal. So whatever 47 there, the angle Y must be the same for this reason. Okay, next question. Number 6. Okay, Rick and Ted had $80 cupcakes each. So they have 80 and 80 here. And Rick will give 30% of his cupcakes to Ted. So this 30% must be out of 80, which will give you 24, right? So Ted must have 24 and Rick must minus 24. Okay, so after receiving the cupcakes from Rick, that means Ted himself must have 80 plus the 24, which will be 104, right? He gave 50%, that is half of 104 to Tim. So 104 will be 52. So this one just left with 52. Okay, this one quite easy also. Anyone who need me to slow down and explain so far? Anyone? Okay, just to get feedback. Okay, many of them say no. Then can I speed up a little faster? Until, because the one I want to spend time for behind ones. Okay, 52. Done. Okay, next question. The area of with QSXZ, it should be QSYX, QSYX. Okay, change this to QSYX. Is 1/5 the area of rectangle PQRS? So this one will be 1/5, and the other one will be 5/5. That means this one will be 5 units. So to say, this one must be 4 units, right? So here you are asked to find the unshaded parts. So now you can do the whole area of the rectangle first. Then slowly we size down to 1 unit. Okay, so first thing is area of the rectangle first. And this rectangle is called PQSR, which will be 60 by 30. Okay, that gives me 1008 centimeter. Now, then I need to find this so-called PXYR. Okay, rectangle PXYR. Why is it so? Because this is 4/5 of 1008. Okay, you know how I get my 4/5 of 1008? Because he said this area will be 4 units out of the entire thing. So this is 1440. Okay, I repeat. The rectangle, maybe I put it in yellow. For this rectangle, I'm now talking about this rectangle. Okay, this one. This one is 4/5 of the entire thing. Now, having done this, I am now able to find the area of the unshaded. Now, this area of unshaded is actually half of the rectangle, right? Which rectangle? The one that you found out, PXYR.